This week, right between Belgooly and Riverstick, Sigma Homes have kicked off another retrofit project, and it doesn't come without its challenges. In the original home, we had a conservatory to the side of the house, but this has got to be removed. By removing the conservatory, it freed us up inside to come up with a new design. We've got a gorgeous glazed area that really connects us to the garden, because this project is all about capturing the country views. The original concrete floors have been completely removed, and this will allow us to have underfloor heating in our kitchen, dining and living. Speaking of kitchen, our new location is going to be right here behind me, and in front we're going to have our island. Our TV area is going to be right beside this glazed corner unit. We're going to have one couch. We're going to close this door up. Once that's closed up, this is where we're going to place our TV, our second couch, and right back in this room is where we're going to have our dining. Behind the dining chair, we've got loads of space. This is where we've created this new doorway, and we've allocated this space to be our utility room. And right at the back where the small window is, that gets demolished, and that will open a door to the outside. On the outside of this building, we've got that beautiful corner glazed unit, but inside we've got something special. Here we've got a big glazed doorway, and right on the corner we've got another big glazed panel, and it really lets the house breathe and flow. In our main bathroom downstairs, on this wall, we've come up with something really special. We've designed a bespoke wall mural. It's been measured, made in the UK, and on the floor, we've picked out a tile that's geometric. It's got an aqua colour running through it, and this should tie the bathroom really well together. Our home office is going to be allocated in this room, and right in the heart of the home, when you want to get away and watch your movie, this space has been allocated for that. As we make our way to the very front of the home, here we've got our guest bedroom, and you really have the perfect size and to get away from the rest of the family. In this corner, we've allocated, and we're going to be designing an ensuite. And on this wall, we've come up with a feature tile. Here, we're going with a blue agate tile. We're going to have gold features that tie in perfectly with the gold in the tile. Upstairs, this space has been allocated for the master bedroom. We have an additional room with a full walk-in wardrobe, and at the very back, we've got a really special ensuite. The tile is a deep blue industrial style. Our fittings, we've gone with black, and the sink is floating using the same tile. And on the floor, to give it that nice soft look, we've gone for a wood effect tile. Come the 24th of May, behind us will look a lot different.